In recent years, the development of Industry 4.0 has revolutionized efficiency and flexibility in the industry. Yet, in the midst of this rampant development, 70% of companies fail to move beyond the pilot phase of their digital transformation. This is where the Smart Industry Readiness Index, or S.I.R.I, comes in as the world's first digital maturity prioritization index, aimed to assist manufacturers in starting, scaling, and sustaining their digital transformation journeys. Certified S.I.R.I assessors, CSAs, conduct official S.I.R.I assessments, OSAs, on manufacturing facilities, using the frameworks and tools provided by S.I.R.I to architect tailored digital transformation roadmaps for their clients.
In Yokogawa, we pride ourselves on innovation and staying ahead of the developments of a sustainable future. As such, it was crucial for us to adopt the S.I.R.I framework to better enable our customers to realize their digital transformation in their respective fields. Amongst our customers, the chemical industry, food and beverage industry, and pharmaceuticals have experienced significant benefits from adoption of the S.I.R.I framework to enhance their existing digital maturity levels by leveraging Yokogawa's specialized industry expertise. Our customers now have a holistic view of what digital transformation is, assessing their people, processes, and technologies. Through the digital maturity and prioritization assessment, our customers align on their business KPIs for long-term goals and agree on the short-term focus based on their cost profiles. And customers now are able to understand which areas of their plan to be prioritized as a key for digital transformation. One of the biggest challenges among all the customers is the mindset change. The different levels within an organization have to be in favor of digital transformation in order for them to fully commit to making the advancements in the digital space. However, once the consensus have been reached, some of the customers are also face the issues of not knowing where to start and which technologies will yield the greatest benefits. S.I.R.I assessment help the customer to determine their short-term to the long-term goals, to justify their investments and make the best decisions for their digital transformation. After the official S.I.R.I assessment, we as a CSA will follow up with the development of the transformation roadmap, including the change management programs. As a key technology provider, Yokogawa is also in the position to be our customers' trusted partner, providing the training programs, the overall digital architecture design, and integrate the fit-for-purpose solutions. As a CSA in Yokogawa, I'm very proud to have been able to empower our customers towards the digital transformation amidst the Industry 4.0. For those companies out there that sees the importance of digital transformation but not too sure how to begin this journey, consider getting an official S.I.R.I assessment. It should take no more than 2 days, and you will be equipped with what you need to determine the next best steps for your company.